What's up, broskies? It's me, and as you may know, school ended a bit ago, so this is gonna be a home food review where I'm just gonna eat random stuff that I got around here. So we'll start with the goldfish. Just have a few of these. Okay, so goldfish are like I like to call them 10 out of 10. I really like goldfish. And then we got veggie straws, and they're like vegetable straws, you see? And I like to eat these. They taste like straws. These are like a 7 out of 10. It's still pretty good though. And as you know, you gotta be flexible when you're trying to find food in these dark times. So we also got bread. This is sprouted wheat bread. And my favorite part are these butts, because they're just the best. And there's many strategies for eating the bread, but mine is just to do this. And that's just the best way to do it. And I say like a 5 out of 10. These are just base rations. We don't really eat bread too much around here, so I'm not too accustomed to having to eat it. But something I do like, which we do got, is the fruity dino bytes, and I eat these all the time. You just take a good handful and just shove it right in your face. They're pretty good milk too, but we just eat them like that sometimes. And after the fruity dino bites, we also got, I think these are Welcher's fruit snacks. Let me open these up. There we go. Just got a few right there. Let's try them. Okay. Those are good. They're I like these. I'd say 8 out of 10. Those are good. And with your fruit snack, you also gotta have granola bar. I'll open that one too. There we go. And these are just normal softy, chewy granola bars. Let me get a good look at this one. Okay. Okay. This is totally pretty good. I don't like them as much as the fruit snack stuff. They're about 4. No. Let's give it a 5. 5 out of 10. They're tasty. The fruit snacks are better. We got honey. Scratch that. No honey. We got chips. Here's one. Here's a few more. As you can see, they are like little long chips. Let me demonstrate how you eat them. Just like that. Save that one for later. And is that everything? I got into the honey a little bit too much, and then it got